So it's been a little while since I talked about Upside, the cashback app, which you can get cash back for groceries, for restaurants, and even gas. And I've had it for quite a while. In fact, I've accumulated up to $45.28 in the app. But really, January and February of this year have been the most amount of cash back that I've got. In January, I got $7.24. And so far in February, $3.99. And the reason why is I have got a new job, I got a company car, and I even have a fleet gas card. And I could put my fleet gas card and I get cash back when I go fill up. So it's almost like I am getting paid to get gas, which is awesome. And what's really cool about this, and you'll see I have my referral link when you use my link, and I appreciate it if you do, and you sign up and you get your referral link. If you share this with other people, guess what? You will get cash back when they use it as well. So it's awesome. It's a win-win for everybody. So it's a really easy app to use. You want to make sure to put your credit card, or in my case, so you could do a credit card for like restaurant purchases or groceries, or like I've gone to frozen yogurt. And then you would, in my case, I have my fleet gas card, and then I choose which one I want to use. The other option is you can upload your receipt, but it's a lot quicker. There's no issues if you go with the option of using the credit card that you're going to use for the purchase. So you can earn up to 3 times more cash on essential purchases, again, such as groceries, dining, and gas. It's almost got a 5-star rating. You know, it's 550,000 people using it. That's amazing. And you can see here, these are brand names that you're using already. Why not get cash back? It doesn't cost you any money, and it's awesome. Now, here's the way it works. So you get an instant reward, it gets to your account, and then what's great is, actually before I share what you can do with it, you can see here $800 million in cash back earned by Upside users, $290 annual savings for frequent users, and 500,000 plus as far as ratings. And the reason for this, it helps benefit businesses, so as they are promoting their business, they want get shoppers to come in. And so that's how this app works. Now, as far as getting cash back, you can get cash back, as you can see here. You can go right to your bank. There is a small fee. I know if you transfer to your bank account, I'm not sure on the gift cards, but you could do gift cards, you can do PayPal, so you can choose those options as well. And that's the way it works. It's really cool. People seem to love it. I think it's great. And I go out and find the local gas station where I'm near. There are certain brands, like I used to go to Costco, but with my fleet card, I can't use it there, anyway, but unfortunately it doesn't work at Costco. But you could check the different prices of gas and you could see how much you're gonna get back per gallon. So there's some really great incentives. It's a great time, put money back in your pocket. So check it out today. Greatly appreciate you using my referral link. Again, if you are going to use it, we both get it. It's a win-win. And let me know if you end up signing up and using my link and getting the app and how it's working for you. And if you've been using it, how much are you getting back? So pretty cool. Anyway, have a great night. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.